Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, we're gonna make this hero section UI design by using Figma. So let's get started. Okay, so for making this, what we have to do, downloading good quality images, you can go to unsplash.com and from there you can download this type of images from there. Okay, so from here you can go to your plus icon and from here you can choose a new design file. Okay, like that. Okay, so let me choose this blank one. Okay, so here I'm gonna make this. Okay, so for first you have to go to this frame option and from the frame you can choose so many sizes. Like here you can see that we have the phone, tablet and the desktop, but so I'm gonna choose the desktop MacBook Pro 14 size. Okay, like that. So after that what we have to do for making this one. Okay, so I have exported the design as an image. Okay, so uh, get back to this, and from here you have to choose the frame, and from here I'm going to choose the black matte color. Okay, so after that what we can do, we can click on this and we can add some border radius to it. So let me add some border radius of 20 so it will look more good from the borders, and let's name it hero section or okay, so something like that. Okay, so after that what we can do, so first we have to make the header. Okay, so for making the header, uh, let's get back to this, and from here I'm gonna write here the same one. So let's get back to the text, and here I'm gonna write the pillars villa. So let me pillars villa VIL. Okay, so the text is very small, so let me double click on this, and from here you can increase the text like that. Okay, so for the text I'm gonna choose the text something like 140. Okay, so let me write here pillars villa, and let me choose this, and for the font size I'm gonna make it 110 80 70. Okay, so let me get back to my previous, and from here I'm gonna just copy the font Potter Sans Black. Okay, let me get back to this, and from here I'm gonna search for the Potter Sans. Okay, so let me go here, and I'm gonna choose all this, and let's make this 40. Okay, so this is looking nice. Okay, so after that what we have to do, we have to make this menus and this button. So for making that, now we have to again add that this one, and from here let's write home in the caps, and let me choose this, and from here I'm gonna change the font to Poppins. Okay, let me write this, and from here we're gonna change the font to Poppins like that. Okay, so let me quickly fix it here, and after that let me zoom it little bit. Okay, then what we can do, we can go to this size here, and we're gonna make the size to 20 or 30. Okay, so you can see that, and for this too I'm gonna make it 38. Okay, and for this let make this 25, or we can make this 28. Okay, so now what we can do, we can just click on this menu and press alt, so and then it will duplicate. Okay, so just duplicate like that one more time. Okay, okay, so now just uh, do like that, and it will select all at the same time and adjust the position. Then let me zoom it a little bit, and here I'm gonna change the text right here, about us, about only, and this one is services. Then we can write the blocks. Okay, so at last we have to make this BTN. So for making the button, we can choose from here. We're gonna choose a rectangle, and let's make this like that. Okay, so let me give some space to it. Let me choose all. Okay, so let me choose all of this, and from here I'm gonna shift it to this one, and let's okay. So just go here and in the fill option, choose the color. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now we have to go here and from here add some border radius. So let me add 5, and after that let's zoom it little bit, and we have to just copy it again here. Okay, yeah. So let me delete this. Okay, so we have this block here. So right now it is not visible. Just go to there, and from here. Okay, so this will not work. So let me do one thing. I'm gonna delete this, and from here go to text and just put it here and write here reaches or whatever you want to write here. Okay, and let's change its font to 22 and just drag and drop this in the center. Okay, okay, so you can see that this is also ready. Okay, so our menu is ready. Now we have to focus on this hero section. So for that we have to choose the rectangle from here, and we have to just make a rectangle like this. Okay, then after that what we have to do, we have to press I, so it will make this color like that, and from here choose this, and from here you can go here, and here I'm gonna write 20. Okay, something like that if you want to give. Because after that what we have to do, we have to add these images. So for adding the images, we have to again let's press enter, and let's add some border radius to this. Okay, so I think this is looking good, or if you want to add some border radius, you can go here and let's add it 5 little bit. Okay, like that. Then you, for adding the image, you have to go to this rectangle, and from here choose the rectangle, and just let's make it little bit small, and after that just make it like that. Okay, and just adjust here, and after that we have to add this image inside this. So for adding the image you have to just go to this one, and from here choose the image. So let me choose this image and just drag and drop this here. Okay, so after that go to this rectangle again, and from here again choose a rectangle like this. Okay, rectangle something like that, and inside this also we have to place an image. So just go to this, and I'm gonna choose this image and just press. Okay, so let's add some border radius. So for adding the border radius you have to just keep click on this image, and then go here, and or you can go here and add suppose 10. Okay, so it will be added. So some border radius here also 10. Okay, so now this section is almost ready, and let's let's add this text here. So for adding the text we have to go to this T option, and from here I'm gonna write pillars. So let me choose this, and from here I'm gonna make it 40. So let's make it 60. Okay, so I'm gonna make it 60. Okay, so let's make it 100. Okay, so let's make it 140. Okay, so this is looking good. Now we have to just change the font. So for the font, I'm gonna use the Oswald font here. Okay, like that, and it should be bold like this. Okay, so now what we have to do to add this text again? So for adding this, you have to go to this T option again, and from here, let's do this 30. And for the text, I'm gonna copy the lorem ipsum. So let's copy some demi text from here, and after that we have to just do here just like that. Okay, so let me add some break here, so it will be break here, and after that we're gonna go here, just adjust this like that. Okay, just choose this and you can drag and drop it here anywhere like that. Okay, then press click all, and from here I'm gonna make it 25. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to again make this little bit shrink. So for making this, you have to just do it like that, so it will automatically shrink here. Okay, now you can see that we are getting some space here. So for removing the space, you have to just add some backspace. Let me zoom it a little bit, and like that. Okay, okay, so if you want to let's make this a regular, and for the font size I'm gonna use some font like that. Okay, so for making it separate from the main heading, so I'm gonna choosing this. Okay, so after that, if you want to make it justify, just choose all the text, and from here go to these three icons, and from here make it justify. So it will justify all the text. Okay, like that. Just after that, we have to just add this button. So for adding the button, we have to go to this rectangle again, and here just make a rectangle like that. And after that, we have to make it transparent. So go to fill, and from here make it pure transparent. Okay, then you have to you can go from here to your all the sections. So we have to add some border here. So go to strokes, and from here I'm gonna choose the whitish color, and the stroke size would be 4. Okay, like that. But you can make the stroke size to 3 only. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, we have to just to choose the text here, and I'm gonna write it here the same text which I have written here, learn more, and it would be Poppins font. So let's me go to the here, and we're gonna choose the Poppins font. Okay, so let's just drag and drop this. Let me zoom this little bit, and we're gonna drag and drop this here. Okay, so you can see that our all the sections are ready. Just we have to add this text here. So this is very simple. We have to just choose the text from here, and just here write any random number like that. So just let's zoom it little bit, and I'm gonna keep it here somewhere. Okay, so after that we have to go to the regular, and from here choose the bold option. Okay, so let me see. So you can see that our whole UI design for the hero section is ready. So just you have to do it like that, and you can see that we have exactly made the same designs as here. Okay, so after that you can one more do one more thing. You can go to this hero section, and from here go to the fill option, go to the gradient, and from here you can add some gradient to your colors like that too, but I will prefer this blackish color only. Okay, so if you want to export it and show to your clients, so what you can do, you can just go to this hero section, and from here at the below you can see there is an export option, and from here you can choose the size. So suppose I want to export it to 1.5x, so in the png format just export the hero section. So it will ask for the name hero 2, and let's save it. Okay, so let's get back to the downloads. And in the downloads you can see that we have just save our hero section which we have made right now. Okay, so in this way you can make any type of UI design by using Figma. So I hope you like our video, and if you like such type of videos, subscribe to our channel for the Elementor, React.js, Shopify and the Figma tutorials. Okay, so I'm gonna see you next time.